There's a lot going on VELO. We're going to take a look at the updates, including the Universe Hybrid DEX, right now. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, VELO has been a really popular video that I made a few, I guess that was about 3 or 4 weeks ago. They've been coming out with new stuff. The token pumped up quite a bit. It's starting to come back down to about 0.7 of a penny. Down here, they're doing Universe, which is their hybrid DEX. They're doing the beta testing currently. Now I'm going to show you how to get in on that. And they've been kind of hinting at some stuff here where it says Universe testing feedback reminder. If you've been beta testing our perp trading platform, which is Universe, don't forget to submit your feedback before March 31st. Today's the 25th. I'm going to get this video out this evening for a chance to receive USDV, which is their stablecoin, to trade with when we go live. And there's the Google Forms doc here. I'll leave this in the description of this video. Just a quick reminder, make sure you follow me on Twitter. I come up with updates on Twitter before I can get to YouTube usually. It's at _APY_guy. I will leave that in the link or in the description of this video, the link for the Twitter page. I brought up a chart for VELO to take a look at to see if it was a good time to buy. I ran a fib. This is the daily. I don't claim to be a pro trader or anything. I just, know kind of what I'm doing. So I ran a fib from the bottom of the last run up to where it got to 1.5 cents. Currently, it's at the 618. Do with that information what you will. It's a little bit over the 618. I usually try to buy between the 618 and the 786. Is it a good time to buy? I don't know. I don't give financial advice, so I just wanted to show you that. But 1.5 cents, that's crazy. So it's a 2x from where we're at today to where it got to in, I think that was late February, where it got up to 1.5 cents. So it's about half, a little less than half the price of where it was then. So let's take a look at Universe. First of all, what is Universe? Universe is a part of VELO. It is a hybrid DEX. It says trade global assets using centralized exchange functionality on a decentralized exchange. We talked about this a little bit in the first video that I made, and it says what Universe can provide. Universe provides the key trading functionality of a centralized exchange with a decentralized self-custodian wallet, which allows users to maintain control of their funds, reducing third-party risks, own your key, and easily move funds anytime you please. Trade any assets, FX commodity, US futures, cryptos. Connect with MetaMask to trade without KYC. Unique multi-level referral program with gamification, trading competition with synthetic tokens. Okay, the easiest way to get to Universe is to go through velofinance.io. Once you get here, you click on Universe, which is the top one there, and that brings us to an order book. This is pretty cool in my opinion because there's some currencies and there's gold and silver on here that you can trade. I'm having troubles trying to find that places to trade them. I am interested in trading gold and silver. Australian dollar is probably a good one, and the euro as well. A pretty clean looking order book. I was going to show you how to get into the beta, but I haven't been able to get the testnet tokens yet to trade. There is a way here that you can get the Nova token and add Nova chain. That's what you're going to want to do. So when you go to log in, I'll log out real quick here. And if you log in, you'll hit Nova and then hit MetaMask, and then it'll add Nova chain to your wallet. You'll hit sign, and then to get Nova, you can hit get Nova, and it'll take you to a faucet where your wallet address will be inputted. You submit it, they'll send Nova to your wallet. What we're supposed to do is get Nova token, add Nova chain to your wallet, because Nova chain is going to be what they're using on VELO, for VELO. And then we're supposed to go to this link here, which I'll leave in the description of the video if you want to try, but I have not been able to get the testnet tokens yet. You click this gleam.io link, and this registers you for the closed beta. I haven't been able to get into that yet. But yeah, this looks cool. Once this comes out, I'm definitely going to try trading on it. Very low fees. And you know, it's completely decentralized, and your transactions go straight through your metamask wallet. Cool thing about VELO as a whole, why I'm really bullish on it, is this is just a part of it. You know, a lot of these like GMX and GNS, like Gains Network, you know, that's their thing. That's, you know, this perpetual DEX is their entire, you know, project. With Nova, you know, or with VELO, you know, there's multiple parts to VELO, and this is just one part of it. The perpetual DEX is just one part of VELO. So yeah, that's why I'm super bullish on it long term. I'm just trying to accumulate as much as possible. If we go back to VELO Finance, though, the farms are still going. I was late again to get into the single farm, the single staking farm for VELO token. It says the pool has reached its limit already, and it's got 173 days to go. The pool period runs till September. That's unfortunate, but they do have some other cool ones. The VELO USDV is, you know, 35% APR. BNB USD is the one I'm in, 32%. And then you can take those rewards tokens, the VELO rewards, and put them in this pool. This one's still going, which is only 2.89% APR, but your tokens are not locked. And this one, I believe they're locked until for 173 days. So this one's you can take out at any time. But I'm just taking my rewards from these pools, and then I'm putting them into this pool. That's my strategy for this going forward. If we go through and we look at the entire ecosystem real quick, we're looking at quantum as a big part of it. Power up traditional finance networks with a blockchain-enabled remittance superhighway. Quantum connects our trusted partners, which the businesses are going to be vetted and approved to join the network, to each other. This allows each partner to access the benefits and services across the entire VELO ecosystem and provides lower fees, faster transactions, and broader coverage to all users. That's quantum. Universe we just covered, that's the multi-chain super DEX. Nova chain, which is the blockchain that they're using, that VELO is using. It's a universal blockchain. Nova chain is the EVM compatible blockchain and the backbone of the Web3 ecosystem that facilitates the on-off ramp partners to connect their services with Web3 application. And an Orbit, crypto payment super app. Orbit is a simple to use mobile application that provides a simple scan and go model for peer-to-peer payments using a common QR code system. Your wallet connects to your assets in the VELO ecosystem and allows you to quickly transfer funds for various purposes. And then Warp is a multi-network cross-chain bridge. Freely move assets across blockchain networks with our multi-chain bridge. Warp is a multi-chain bridge that connects blockchain networks. Warp supports Binance Smart Chain and Stellar networks at launch with Ethereum and several other major chains support coming soon. Users can easily move assets in and out of the ecosystem to suit their needs. Pretty cool. This is, you know, this is an ecosystem. It's not just one project doing one thing. It's a project doing multiple things. That's why I'm really bullish on it. Different than I think any other project out there. To be honest with you, I don't think there's any other project that's got this many things going for it. The one that I can think of is Change Finance. Change has a lot going for it as well. Similar parts to the ecosystem. With VELO, I'm very bullish on VELO long term. And I think it's really undervalued at the moment. All right, for the heck of it, let's do the bullish case for VELO. So right now it's 0.0077 cents. The market cap is 38.7 million. The all-time high was $2.29. I don't have the market cap for when it hit 229, and also there's more tokens in circulation currently because it is inflationary because of the staking aspect of it. But if we were to just calculate it based on the price of the token then, the price of the token now, and what it could possibly get to in a bull run, it would do a 297.4x from 0.0077 cents to $2.29. I'm definitely not saying it's going to do a 297x. What I'm saying is that it has a good chance of doing a 25 to 50x in a bull market, even though it's inflationary. There's in circulating supply, there's only 4.984 billion. So there's a lot of tokens that need to be released in the circulation still. But definitely, you know, if everything goes right, their roadmap is on time, I think it can definitely do a 25 to 50x. Unfortunately, I couldn't get those test tokens to show you the testing on Universe. If I do get them, I'll make another short video showing how that works. But I'll leave the links in the description of the video if you want to try and see if you can get those test tokens. There's still another 6 days, I believe, to do testing on Universe. And if there's any projects that I'm missing, low cap gems, that I should take a look at that I have not made a video about already, please leave them in the comments of the video. I really appreciate when you guys do that. As always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.